Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into topic.
Question: Which landmark Supreme Court case established the basic structure doctrine of the Indian Constitution? Answer A. Keswananda Bharti v. State of Kerala. Question: In which case did the Supreme Court rule that the right to privacy is a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution? Answer A. Justice K.S. Puttaswamy, retired, v. Union of India. Question: The Supreme Court in the case of Maneka Gandhi v. Union of India expanded the interpretation of which fundamental right? Answer C. Right to life and personal liberty. Question: Which Supreme Court judgment declared the practice of triple talaq unconstitutional? Answer A. Shaira Banu v. Union of India. Question: In the Keswananda Bharti case, what was the majority verdict on Parliament's power to amend the Constitution? Answer C. Parliament can amend but not alter the basic structure. Question: The Supreme Court in the S.R. Bommai case laid down guidelines related to which constitutional provision? Answer A. Article 356, President's Rule. Question: Which judgment upheld the validity of the Mandal Commission recommendations for reservation in government jobs? Answer A. Indrasani v. Union of India. Question: The Supreme Court in the Vishaka case formulated guidelines related to which issue? Answer B. Sexual harassment at workplace. Question: In which judgment did the Supreme Court declare the practice of instant triple talaq as void? Answer A. Shaira Banu v. Union of India. Question: Which Supreme Court case is famous for the doctrine of severability? Answer C. Minerva Mills v. Union of India. Question: The Supreme Court in which case held that the death penalty should be awarded only in the rarest of rare cases? Answer A. Bachan Singh v. State of Punjab. Question: Which Supreme Court judgment declared that the right to education is a fundamental right for children aged 6 to 14? Answer C. Right to Education Case, 2009. Question: The Supreme Court in the Olga Tellis case dealt with which fundamental right? Answer A. Right to life, livelihood. Question: Which case is known for the Supreme Court's ruling on freedom of speech and expression on the Internet? Answer A. Shreya Singhal v. Union of India. Question: The Supreme Court in the Minerva Mills case emphasized the importance of which constitutional principle? Answer B. Basic Structure Doctrine. Question: Which Supreme Court case held that the right to die with dignity is a fundamental right? Answer A. Common Cause v. Union of India. Question: The Supreme Court judgment in Navtej Singh Johar v. Union of India decriminalized which section of the Indian Penal Code? Answer A. Section 377. Question: In which judgment did the Supreme Court uphold the constitutional validity of the Goods and Services Tax, GST? Answer C. Union of India v. Mohit Minerals. Question. The Supreme Court in the Keswananda Bharti case was delivered in which year? Answer A. 1973. Question. Which case is known for the Supreme Court's judgment on the right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions? Answer D. All of the above. Question. The Supreme Court in the ADM Jabalpur case controversially upheld which provision during emergency? Answer A. Suspension of right to life and liberty. Question. In which case did the Supreme Court declare that the reservation for OBCs in educational institutions is valid? Answer B. Ashoka Kumar Thakur v. Union of India. Question. The Supreme Court ruling in the Shreya Singhal case struck down which controversial law? Answer A. Section 66 of IT Act. Question. Which Supreme Court case emphasized the importance of free and fair elections as part of the basic structure? Answer B. S.R. Bommai v. Union of India. Question. The Supreme Court judgment in the Keswananda Bharti case was delivered by how many judges? Answer A. 13. Question. Which case led to the Supreme Court laying down guidelines to prevent custodial deaths? Answer A. D.K. Basu v. State of West Bengal. Question. The Supreme Court in the Shaira Bano case declared which practice unconstitutional? Answer A. Triple Talaq. Question. Which judgment is famous for interpreting Article 21 to include the right to a clean environment? Answer D. All of the above. Question. The Supreme Court in the Aruna Shanbhog case dealt with which issue? Answer A. Euthanasia. Question. The Supreme Court in the S.R. Bommai case reaffirmed the federal structure of India by restricting misuse of which article? Answer A. Article 356.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.